What is this? It's another budget drum mic pack? Seriously? That's what we're doing today? You know what? We are gonna do this today, but we're gonna do it right. We have the Samson DK707 mic pack here. You see offerings like this from a lot of different brands. It can cover an entire kit, all for one really affordable price. But what does that really mean in the context of recording a professional song? Today, I'm going to a professional recording studio to record a song from my band, The Gromble. We're having a professional studio drummer, Levi, play the drum track twice. Once with a full set of professional studio microphones, and again using only our Samson DK707 kit. He's gonna mix down these tracks just as he would if any client sent in a song for mixing. So he'll use his own signal chain, his own plugins, his own processing, and we're gonna see, can this budget mic pack really stand up to a professional set of microphones? Will I notice the difference? That's what we're gonna find out today. We're here at Matutu's Sound Hut. Got my favorite professional drummist, Levi Matulis here. Let's get set up for the experiment. Yeah. We're gonna start with our Lifestyles of the Rich and the Famous Robin Leach Pro studio setup. Not anything crazy here, but this is what you might find if you walked into a studio and you saw, your average drum mic setup. We got a Shure SM7B, our EV RE20 there on the floor tom, the 81 under the snare, and the 57. We got these two Octavas for overheads. We've got a D112. Is that the Beatles kick mic?
It is the successor to the Beatles mic.
Okay, even more successful than Ringo. Think about that, with peace and love, right? We'll get a final count, but like eyeballing this roughly if you were gonna buy these new, somewhere around $2,000 to $2,500. No fancy tube condenser microphones, nothing crazy expensive, but this is a professional set of microphones that you would find in a professional studio. They sound great. That's set A. Set B, we have the Samson DK707. The DK stands for Diddy Kong because it's small, but it packs a wallop. Basically, we have a counterpart for each one of these microphones in this set. And we got a pretty hefty case. Definitely could break Nancy Kerrigan's knees with this thing. The Big Daddy, the Q71. This is our kick mic. We've got our stereo pair of CO2s. These are our pencil condenser mics. We've got 4 of these mics. The Q72s, they clip right onto the rim of your drum. I've used this set and other comparable Samson sets live a ton, and these are really cool for saving space on a crowded stage because you don't have to put up a bunch of stands. This is, I wanna say $279, roughly $2,000 less than set A. So let's get to it. So we have our A set here. What does it mean to have good mic placement?
Well, it can affect it a lot. I have the overheads kind of getting the picture of the kit, and then the close mics kind of just filling in where needed.
So for people that don't have anything working in their brain, what does cardioid mean?
It's
Sorry, one more question. Are these gels edible?
Yeah, they can be edible.
Okay, that was a great take. Dang, one and done. Thank you, Levi. We know the playing's good. We're gonna hear what it sounds like when we listen back, but let's get on to test B. God fucking damn it, I broke a nail. There's something really aesthetically pleasing about having them all match. It's like wearing an outfit that's playing dress to impress.
Adidas tracksuit.
Yeah, hell yeah. All right, that was mic set B, another great take from Levi. We're gonna see how great we can make these affordable Samson mics sound, and if Levi can trick me into believing these cost $7 million. Okay, so this is test Z beta whatever. I don't know which set of microphones this is. I know the playing is good, and I know that the gels on the drums are edible. We learned that today. But I don't know which set of microphones I'm gonna hear for the first time. Blind test 1.
Here's a cab and she points to the south of here.
Can I hear him again? Yep.
Okay, one more time.
Same order?
Can I hear 2 and then 1 this time? Here's 1. They're really close. They're super close. The difference to me, the snare in sample 2, I like better. But it's possible because I'm trying to get tricked. Maybe set 1 is drier, but that is the more expensive mics. I'm totally doubting myself. They're really close. If I were to receive this back, I would prefer to have 2. Like if I got 2 back for my track, I would be like, this is good. I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna say 2 is the Samson's, processed heavier, and 2 is also better sounding.
If you had to bet $1,000.
I would not be confident at all. I'm about like 60%.
So you got it wrong.
What?
Actually. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. The second one we listened to was the standard set, the studio mics. Yeah. But they are extremely close. The difference that I found with the 2 sets of mics is the overheads weren't as clear on the Samsons as they were on the Octavas. But I actually did really like the close mics. The kick mic sounded great, and the snare sounded good. Like all the close mics sounded very good.
To be fair, I mean, look, I'm not a drummer, but to me, really the only thing that sounded different was the saturation on the snare drum.
The saturation from the snare you might be hearing is maybe because the snare top mic is a little hotter in the second one, hitting the drum bus saturation a little hotter.
Dude, brutal. I got so tricked. Okay, so Jerry's final thoughts here. I'm humbly embarrassed. I cannot believe I got hoodwinked. There was a reason I had such a hard time telling the difference. Not only are these mics quality mics, but we also started off with a really great sound. We're in a professional studio with a great drum kit that's tuned really well. We have a professional drummer who knows what they're doing and plays really well. And also, this is a professional engineer who's using their processing. That's really important as well. No microphone is gonna make a badly tuned drum set or a bad kit sound great, and no microphone is gonna make a bad drummer play in time or hit the drums well, you know what I mean? So that's a huge win for the Samson DK707. I would recommend it to anybody getting into mic in their drum kit. If you like this video and you wanna see more, make sure to hit the like button. Links to everything we used today below. Check out any of these on Sweetwater, that's where we get all our gear. If you're interested in learning guitar, go over to the Patreon. We got lessons, exercises, music theory, all that good stuff. And big thanks to Levi for playing the drums and mixing for us today. Make sure to give him a follow. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.